Welcome to Cookmaster Tips. Today, we're making crispy and delicious accordion potatoes. These beautifully sliced potatoes are seasoned to perfection and roasted until golden brown. Let's dive in. Ingredients: 4 medium potatoes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, fresh herbs for garnish, optional. Directions: peel the potatoes and cut them into rectangular slices. Place the potato slice between 2 skewers or chopsticks to make cuts without slicing all the way through. First, make vertical cuts, then flip and make diagonal cuts on the other side to achieve the accordion effect. Gently stretch the potato slices to open them up and place them on skewers. Brush with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, for 30 to 35 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Garnish with fresh herbs and serve hot. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 35 minutes. Total time, 50 minutes. Calories: 200 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cookmaster Tips, for more delicious content.